Hey, what's up guys, it's Fantastic here. Today we'll be unboxing the MGC 5x5 and the YJ Yufu 7x7. First I'm gonna start off with the 7x7 just because I'm more excited for that. Yes, I'm more excited for the 7x7. Okay, I'm really struggling to open this. Yeah, just rip it apart. And yeah, of course we're gonna have trouble removing this as well. And wow, okay. The pieces are super small, like compared to what I thought it would be. And here it is, my first 7x7. Okay, it feels very loopy on the outside. It's sort of sticky, glossy finish. Yeah, let's just get into first turns. Okay, wow, this is a lot better than I thought it would be. But the tensions seem extremely loose right now. And it's sort of sandy, but that's fine. And the inner layers also move pretty well actually. Not what I was expecting from a budget 5x5. I mean 7x7. And yeah, this is pretty big. If you see, I'm sort of hitting these two layers once in a while. And yeah, this thing is pretty loose, so I might tension this, but I might not because I've never tensioned a big cube other than a 4x4. But yeah, we'll have to see because I'm scared it's gonna pop if I leave it at these tensions. But first impressions out of the box, it's pretty nice. Let me actually see if I can do parity on this. And yes, I'm doing it extremely slowly just because I don't want a pop and I don't want to mess up. Okay, wait. Then I think I just do that. Yeah, there. Successfully I've done parity. And oh wow, the cap actually came off. So these are probably a little easy to come off, but I think it still turns fantastic. And if you want a budget 7x7, you should definitely go for this because this is definitely good fit out of the box. Okay, now onto the 5x5. I know this 5x5 turns really well. I've tried one. My friend Subzi Cuber, I'll actually leave a link to his channel in the description. He makes great videos. But anyways, let's open up this 5x5. And there you go, MGC 5x5 right here, and then there's some packaging. Let's see what's in this box. I believe it's just a screwdriver and probably a pamphlet, obviously. So screwdriver, springs, and this useless stuff. So I'm actually just gonna chuck it onto my bed, and we're gonna put this back in the box. And now let's open up the cube. So much plastic in packages, it just harms the environment. Okay, there you go, we got it open. And yeah, so this honestly feels very similar to this cube on the outside, not sure why, but let's get into first turns. Okay, wow, definitely not what I was expecting. This is extremely good. And the tensions are also really okay. Wow, tensions are also pretty good, which sort of surprised me. Okay, what? Parity is also super good on this. And I've never even touched a 5x5 other than the one I tried at my friend Subsecuber's house. But wow, okay, this is extremely good. I'm very surprised by how it's turning, considering its price. And I'm pretty sure it is actually one of the best 5x5s. But yeah, I can't wait to break this in and see how it turns. I actually don't know how to solve a 5x5 or a 7x7. But yeah, I obviously will learn how to solve them. And yeah, this 5x5 is extremely good. Okay, I'm trying PLL parity. Yeah, I think I just messed that up. This probably has a different PLL parity out from 4x4, obviously. Yeah, I just messed this up, but that's fine because I'm gonna learn how to solve a 5x5. So let's actually just scramble this up now. But yeah, this turns really well, and even the inner layers turn super fast, which is not what I was expecting because on my Wuchwei Mini M, the inner layers move quite a bit slower than the outer layers. But on both these cubes, actually, the inner layers also move pretty well. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed both these cubes, and I will mostly make reviews on both of them soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.